No, woman, no cry. When I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trench Town, Uba was serving the hypocrites as they would mingle with the good people we met. Good friends we have, or good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past, so dry your tears